Hello everyone, I am Jonice Watts, a double alumna of Tuskegee University and a multifaceted entrepreneur. Today I am going to teach you guys how to coordinate a successful workshop or seminar. I coordinated the first annual beef cattle seminar at Tuskegee University. I had no idea what I was doing at the beginning, but with a little research and the help from my team, we coordinated and planned a extraordinarily effective seminar. The first step to planning a successful and impactful workshop or seminar is building a passionate and dedicated team. The second step is choosing your objective or purpose of the workshop or the seminar. Your objective may be to teach a concrete skill, deliver general information, or guidance of a specific topic. Next, you should decide on the topics. Understand the participants' needs in regard to skill level and learning pace. That will help you deliver the appropriate content. Allow a sufficient amount of time for questions and concerns. Prepare handouts for the participants to take home and ask for the presenters to bring handouts as well. Identify experts for each of the topics and contact each presenter when the finalized date is decided. In the email sent to the presenters, ask for the speaker's fees, the bios and pictures, and also a contract. If the presenter is coming from a long way, you want to make sure to arrange travel accommodations. Picking the date is the next step. I suggest you make sure that there aren't similar workshops or seminars on the date that you've chosen. I suggest that you allow 8 to 12 weeks to plan a workshop and 4 to 6 months to plan a seminar or a conference. Think about the logistics and particular details of your workshop when you're choosing the location or the venue. Will everyone be able to see the visual aid? Will everyone be able to locate the venue? If not, you'll need the proper signage. You want to also make sure that there will be sufficient parking and find out what catering facilities does the venue provide. Lastly, choose a registration technology for participants to register and create a website or landing page. Now you know your primary goals, you can start to develop an agenda. Outline your seminar schedule and decide who will speak and when. Don't forget to give your attendees breaks. Once you've completed a draft, share it with once you've completed the draft, share it with the decision makers for approval. Decide if you're going to charge for the seminar or workshop or if it'll be free. Once you decide that, you can create the budget. The budget should include all of your expenses, and the sponsors will also request for a budget. Research all of the sponsors who've partnered with similar seminars and brands who are trying to reach your target audience. Compile a list of your top choices. After you compile that list, you will create a sponsorship package to send to each of the top choices. Next, identify local vendors that are marketing to the target audience. Now it's time to start promoting. Identify your target audience. Creating a marketing strategy is vital. Take as much time as you need to create this marketing strategy because you want to attract as many people as possible. There are so many ways to market your workshops, such as the local newspaper, the local radio stations, save the date flyers, regular flyers that can be posted up around town or in other nearby cities, social media, email blasts, online event calendars, and promo videos, and more. It is important to create surveys for the workshop or seminar so that you can gain honest feedback from the participants. After the workshop, compile the survey data and analyze it to see how you can improve the next workshop or seminar. The final step is creating thank you letters and certificates for the participants and requests for their feedback as well. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you've learned how to coordinate a successful workshop or seminar.